Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I discuss a quant problem in this video. This is collected from GMAT official guide 2022. So look at the question. The question is the price of a quote in a certain store is $500. If the price of the quote is to be reduced by $150, by what percent is the price to be reduced? We can calculate this math in two ways. First one is this way, as $500 is equal, the value is 100%, so $1 is 100 by 500%, and finally $150 is equal 100 multiply in 150 by 500. So we can cut off 0 0 0 0, and we have easily got 30% to calculate this math. This is the one way, and others is this is the reduced part and this is the actual value, and also it will be multiplied by 100, so we easily get 30% from this math. So the answer will be the option E is 30%. Okay. I also discuss others question in this way. This is the one arithmetic math here. We should find out what is the value is the total sum, so we can easily have it. This is the total figure. We cut negative 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So we have only 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6. So finally we get the result is 1 by 3. So the answer is option C is 1 by 3. Thank you very much.